Facebook conversion tracking is very important for any kind of business. In this video, I will show you how to track your conversion in Shopify website. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. We tracked our Facebook conversion is many parts. The first part is we create a Google Tag Manager container. So just go to the Google Tag Manager and we just create our container. So just write down our container name. We just put down our container name, the YT Facebook conversion. Copy. Okay, and just we select our country name. Our country is Bangladesh. Just tick mark them, and our container name is Facebook browser site container. Okay, in this video I will show you just browser site is the one part, and second part is the server side. Okay, so just click the website and just create it. Just yes. Okay, so that is our GTM container, and that is our Google Tag Manager code. And the second process is we connect our Google Tag Manager and our website. So that is our Shopify website. Look at that, and that is our Shopify website backend. We just connected our Google Tag Manager and our Shopify website. So just copy the Google Tag Manager header code. We just copy it, go to the online store and just theme, and we just select the three-dot icon, just click the edit code and just scroll down, sorry, theme.liquid, and we just change our GTM code. Okay, and that is recommended that we don't enable your Shopify website data layer. We quickly enable your data layer, and in this video I will show you how to enable your Shopify website data layer very easily. Okay, so just save it. Just exit it, and our second process is we just go to the settings and select the checkout options, and just that is our GTM code another here. So we just remove this code and paste our new code. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so our second process is already done, and our third process is connected Google Tag Manager and our Facebook pixel. Okay, so just go to the Facebook page and go to the Meta Business Suite. Okay, and just click the setting options, the data store, then data state, and just that is our pixel code. So just copy it and go to the event manager. Okay, just go to the settings. Okay, that is our code. We just copy it, go to the GTM, and we first of all we create a variables that, and go to the variable sections. So just constant variable, just put down the code and write here the variables name. We just write the pixel ID. Okay, and just save it. Create our variables. Now we can go to the tag section to connect our Google Tag Manager and our pixel. So just click the pen icons and search it the Facebook. Look at that, no Facebook template in here. So we just go to the back and go to the template options, just select the search gallery, right here the search option, and we just search it Facebook, and that is our Facebook pixel. So just select it and add. Okay, just add it and come to back the tag sections and just click the new, and we just, that is our Facebook pixel here, and we just select our Facebook pixel ID, and that is the page view event, and we just select the all page and just write our tag name. So just write Facebook base pixel tag. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so our third process is okay, and fourth process is also okay. We just set up our all page data layer. So and now we just check it, our total process is okay or not. So just submit it and preview it. So just preview. And write and just put down our website URL. So just copy our URL and paste here. Just connect it. Okay, look at that, our Facebook pixel is already here, and that is the preview event is fire, and our pixel ID is last of 601, and that is our Facebook pixel ID 601. And go to the text section, look at that, our Facebook base pixel is already fire here. And we just some event here, go to the product page and look at that, our Facebook event, and that is our data layer. So we just tracked our data layer part by part. And any user come to my website, so they create many events. Just go first of all, she create the Facebook event, just select the add to cart, that is another event. So that look at that, that is the add to cart event. And the next is checkout event. He select the multiple product here, and that is look at that, our checkout event, the first product, second product, and third product, the all data is here. Next event is he put down the all kind of details and just process it. So just I write the some code here. Okay, and just look at that, our Facebook page is process is already completed, and our process event is already here. So is all kind of data we just tracked part by part. So we can track our four kind of data here. The page, first of all, the page items, the add to cart, the begin checkout, and the last of the process event. So we can see the part by part all kind of works. So first of all, we just go to the text section and we create the view item events. So select the new, click the pen icons, select the Facebook pixel. First of all, write down the event name. So we just copied our event name, the Facebook view content event. So just write the view content tags. And the second is we select our Facebook pixel ID. So that is our Facebook pixel ID, and we select our event name. So that is our view content event. And next we just send our some data here. So just select the object parameter and we send some data. The first of all, the product type. So just write down the parameter name, and the second is the parameter names, and we just write the value, the variables, the value is here. And the second is the content name. So write down the content name, and their value is so the content name. And look at that, the view item event. So that is the e-commerce dot items dot item dot item name. So look at that, the e-commerce dot item dot 0 the item name. So just copy the values and just select the plus icon, go to the plus icon and select the data layer variables here. So that is our data layer variables. Just write down the values and just write the name. That is name is data layer variable Facebook product name. Okay, just write the variables name and save it. Look at that, our second item is already completed, and the third is the content ID. Just copy it and paste here. Just another process, just go to the plus icon, select the pen icon and select the data layer variables. Okay, and write down the total values. So just copy and paste here, and write down also the variable name. Just copy and paste and just save it. Okay, our third process is already okay, and our next is the value. We can copy it and paste here, and we just copy the values. Okay, just click the plus icon, click the plus icon also, and select the pen icon, and that is our data layer variables, and just paste here, and you write our DLP product price, and just paste it and save it. And our final is the currency, so just copy the currency, paste here, just select the plus icon, select the data layer variables, and that is our value e-commerce dot currency, e-commerce that. So look at that, and the currency is the e-commerce is, and that is our currency, so e-commerce dot currency. Okay, so and just write the name, copy it and purchase here, just send it and just save it. Okay, so we create our tag names and select the standard event, the view content, just put down some parameters here and just trigger. So just select the plus icon and just custom event. The event name is, so you see that the event name is view item, so just click the copy the view items, the paste here, and copy the variable name, the Facebook view item trigger, and paste here and save it. Finally save it. So our one tag is already completed. Now we can publish it and preview it. Our total process is already okay or not, and so just preview it. Connected. Look at that, our Facebook pixel is already fire, so just select the product. Look at that, our view item is already fire here, and we select the view item and go to the variable section. We create some variables here, the data layer. So DLP product ID, that is our product ID, and the currency is BDT, and the product price is 3500. So look at that, our product price is 3500, the product name. So all kind of data is here also here. So we create our next event. Our next event is add to cart event. So any person go to the website and just create the another event is add to cart. Another event is add to cart. So we tracked our add to cart event. Look at that sheet. Facebook need our view item event and add to cart event is almost same. So we just copy the view content event and change the name. So just go inside the view content event, click the three dot icon, just copy it and just write the name Facebook add to cart event. Just change the name Facebook add to cart event, add to cart, yes, that is a add to cart, and the parameters is also same, and we just change our trigger. So just click, select the custom event, and we copy the add to cart and paste here, and just write the trigger name. So just write the trigger name and save it, and also save it. Okay, so our second tag is also done, and we create our next event is the begin checkout event. So any person select the add to cart, and he also select the multiple product here. So just go to the another product. Look at that, that is the event here. So just select the another product and select the add to cart, and also select the begin checkout. Okay, look at the data layer here, the begin checkout, look at that, there is the two products, the one products and two products. So we tracked our all product name, the ID, the custom, the price, the BDT options, the currency. So that's why we create the first of all to JavaScript code. So go to the variable sections, we create the two variables here. Just go to the variable, that is some loading, just select the new, click the pen icons and data layer variables. The first variables is e-commerce.value. We select the value options, the paste here, and the we just write the name, okay, and paste here, and we select our second option, create the second, just select the data layer variables, write the variables values, e-commerce.item, okay, and select the Facebook data layer variable, okay, and just save it. So now we create our another tag, that is name is Facebook begin checkout. So first of all, tag name Facebook begin checkout, just copy it, select the Facebook pixel ID, and select the begin checkout, initial checkout name is, and write some parameter here, okay. So our first parameter is the content type. As usual, is simple, but it lengthy process also. So we just see it how to total work is happens. The content name, is every product DLB, every product names. So we just select our product name, okay, the product name, and the second is the content ID. So we select our content ID here, the content ID, the product ID, and the second is the value. We just select the value, and that is our purchase product price. So that is the product price, and the second is the currency. So just select the currency here and select the currency, every currency, purchase product name. So just write name and go to the variable sections. We can select the custom JavaScript and just copy the JavaScript, paste here, write down the JavaScript name, okay, and just paste here, and we just write our content name. Our parameters name is the content dot name, and then content dot ID. So just select our, so just go to the billing options, just write here, okay, and just select the custom JavaScript, select the JavaScript code and paste here, and just select the name also and paste here, okay, and save it. Okay, that is the total process here, and we just create our begin checkout triggers. So just select the begin checkout and put down the name, and finally select the name, the begin checkout, also just put down here and save it. So the total process is okay, and we just save it. We can submit it and publish it. Our total process is already okay or successful or not, and go to the our data is go to the Facebook pixel or not. So just preview it and just preview. Okay, so with our Google Tag Manager is already connected. So just go to the any product page. Okay, look at that, our view item is here. Our view item is here, and we just go to select the add to cart, and our add to cart is already here. And look at that, our add to cart is fire, and we select our next option, the begin checkout or checkout, and our begin checkout is also fire here, and our data is the variable section. Look at that, our product name, the product ID, the product name, that is also the product name. That is a 3 type of product ID also, because we select our 3 items, the 1, 2 and 3. That's why that 3 product ID is also here, and 3 product name is also here, and individual product name is also here. So our all data is come here, and we just check out our Facebook pixel, and look at that, our add to cart and our add to cart event and begin checkout event are also here, and we see our all parameters is also here. So that our all process is okay, and we create our final works, that is a purchase event. So look at that, our purchase event and our begin checkout event is also same. That is the one event is extra, we just create it. So go to the text section, select the begin checkout, we just copy it. So just copy it and change the name, tag name also. So change the tag name, and also change the standard event. So we just select the purchase, and that is a parameter here. We just add a one parameter, that is a transaction ID or order ID. So we just copy the parameter name, and go to the plus icon, select the data layer. Okay, select the data layer, and we just write the e-commerce dot transaction ID. So just copy it, and that is the DLV order ID also. So just save it, just put down here and save it, and also select our begin checkout. So just change the begin checkout with the custom event, and we select the purchase. So select the purchase and put down here, and that is our variables name. So just put down here the variables name, and our total process is okay, and we just save it. That is the one mistake for me. So tick mark the enable advanced matching, and that is the customer info of data. So just send more data has here, the customer first name, the customer last name, the email address, the country, the city, also here the phone number, the street, and the zip code also. our process event here. Go to the data layer, customer name, the customer first name, the customer last name, the email, the phone, the city, the state, the zip code, the currency, the country. Also here we can select, we can create the all kind of events and we send our data. So we go to the data layer variables. So just select the data layers, that is the data layers event, and we also send some data. So just select the customer dot first name. So that is our customer first name events, and that is the data layer. Oh shit, no. So that is the data layer. The name is post here. We just save it. Okay, my first work is done, and our second work is the last name, customer last name. So select the data layers. Okay, the copy the customer last name. So just paste here the customer last name, and that is the data customer last name, the variable name. Just paste here. The second is the email, so that customer dot email. Okay, so just select the value and paste here. Go to the data layer, and just paste here and select the DLV email address. Okay, the name is, say the next was is country. So just go to the data layer and copy the country dot address. So customer dot address dot country. Look at the data layer, the customer dot address dot the country. Okay, so just just paste here the value, and we change our name, DLV currency country. Paste here. Okay, the next was city. So just go to the data layer variables. The total process is also very same, just is little bit time, and all this many kind of data here. So just copy the city. Okay, and copy the name, the DLV city, and save it. Okay, and next was the phone. So just go to the phone section, data layer section, select the customer dot phone. Okay, and select the data layer DLV phone and paste here. Okay, the next was is street. So copy the customer dot address dot street, and we go to the select here, the data layer variables is here, and paste here, and DLV street, and just paste here. Okay, our final work is the zip code. So just select the zip code, data layer variable, copy the customer dot address dot zip, let's write the paste here, and change the name. Okay, change the name and save it. Okay, so finally done. The all kind of data we put down here, the total process is already okay. The Facebook conversion API is browser side just okay, and finally we just preview it. We just see our total data actually go to the Google Tag Manager or Pixel, what's or not. So just submit it. And finally we preview it. our Facebook page pixel is already fire here, and look at that the pixel, see the time, the 2:31, the Facebook event is already fire. And we select the any kind of product. Look at that, our view content event is already fire, and go to the Facebook pixel event. Look at that, our view content is fire, the 2:32, and that look at that, the 2:32. Okay, and our next is the add to cart event. Look at that, our add to cart is already fire. Go to the Facebook pixel, our add to cart is already fire here. See the some value, the parameters, the BDT, the content ID, the content name, the content type is product, all kind of data is actual work. And just go to the checkout, and the checkout event is also fire. And our data layer, look at that, our data layer checkout is also fire here. And finally we can buy any product. Just put down the all kind of data for me. Just write some information here. Just pay now. Okay, our purchase is already completed, and our purchase tag is also fire. And go to the purchase tag, select the variables. Look at that, our all kind of data is here. The city name is Janaidaho, the country is Bangladesh, the email address is also here, the product ID, so the order ID is also here. And go to the Facebook pixel. Look at that, our purchase event is already fire. See some parameters, and look at that, our all parameters is also here. Our all tag is perfectly work, and that is a part 1 of Facebook conversion API, that is the browser side tracking. The next video I will show you very easily the Facebook server side tracking. Just check out my next video. So that is for today guys, and anyone guys you need our doc file, you just knock my WhatsApp, I can send you the file link. So is there any questions and need help for me, just comment it and knock it my WhatsApp, link in the description. Thank you.